Malta Vocational School needs international students. Yes, you can study courses like social care, courses in the IT, cybersecurity, data analysis. I mean, courses like corporate accounting, corporate finance. I mean, and different other courses. The tuition fee is as low as 1,320 euros. Yes, 1,320 euros, and you can study for up to 1 year durations there. Each of these courses, you can study them for up to 1 year duration. And the good thing about it again is that all the courses or majority of the courses that you are going to be applying for in this vocational school in Malta are taught in English. So what excuse do you have? Yes, Malta is an EU country, so which means the student's residence permit that is going to be issued to you give you access to all other European or Schengen nations. So you can move to Malta. I call all of this visa easy visa to enter into Malta. Yeah, and Malta really need international students to come into this vocational school. You can move with your family if you have the financial capacity to move everybody at once. You can move with your family, but if not, you can move, you can go alone, and after some months, you can invite your family in through family reunification. Yes, they also have the procedure through family reunifications to bring in your family. The minimum educational certificate that you need to apply for any of this course is your secondary school certificate. So what excuse do you have? Your secondary school certificate is all that you need to apply. And like I said earlier, tuition fee is as low as 1,320 euro, and you can pay them in installment. They also assist with visa application process. They will first of all review your documents, communicate it to their embassy in your country or to any embassy of Malta in your country that you want to go apply for visa before they now tell you that, okay, make corrections here, make changes here, and go submit your document for visa applications. Now, there is no age limit for anybody, but of course, you must be at least 18 years and above before you can apply to any of this course and move to Malta. So, as I said before, I'm going to be showing to you the details about this application process for this vocational school in Malta. Of course, there are other schools in Malta that you can look into, but I only bring the cheap ones that will not cause you financial hassle or financial stress. Those are the ones I'm mostly interested in, but there are many other vocational schools or schools in Malta that you can use. But this one, I call it the easy visa to enter into Malta. Yes, easy visa to enter into Malta with your family, and you can definitely move with your family. So I'm going to be sharing my school screen with you shortly to show you the details about this vocational school and all the application process, the document required, and everything that you need to submit your applications to this school. And if you're just coming across our channel, this is Japa with your days. On this channel, we are very devoted and committed to your relocation plan every now and then. So we bring informations, cheap relocation information, vocational relocation information that we aid your Japa plan to any choice European country, and we've shared to Malta, we've shared to Italy, we've shared to Finland, we've shared to Portugal, vocational institutions. So you can make your choice based on your financial capacity. And if you're just coming across our channel, please like and subscribe to this channel so that by the time we drop information and opportunities like this, you will be the first person to get notifications. Also give this video a thumbs up and share it to your loved ones. Yes, share it to your loved ones. It's very important that you share this kind of information to your loved one. Don't audit. Okay, so let's explore this information together on my screen. So the name of the school is called Future Focus Limited. Future Focus Limited, they are in Malta. As you can see, this is their address in Malta. It's a legal school, well-recognized, registered school. So it's Future Focus, and they also assist you with internship placement. Okay, after your 1 year study program, if you want to continue in that line of study that you've just finished or concluded, they also will assist you with internship. So let's explore the different courses that they have available at Future Focus Limited in Malta. So caring professionals, early year educators, adult health and social care services, health and safety. Of course, I'm going to leave the link to this video descriptions and to this video on the video descriptions for you to do further reading. So I'm just going to be very brief. So there are numerous courses that you can choose and apply for, especially as it relates to your skills and background or career. Okay, so for caring, those who are in the caring professionals, early year educators, adult and social care courses are available. Health and safety, if you are into health and safety, there are different courses for you available. Education and training management, if you are into the education space, they also have courses for you. Food handling, if you love the food aspect, they also have health and fitness, psychology, law, project management, human resource personnel management, logistics and supply chain management, other courses, accounting and businesses, business management and administration, tourism courses, health and social care diploma, health and social care management, health and social care, different courses. There are information technology, those who are in the IT, you want to build skills in the IT, they have courses available for you. Diploma, vocational diploma of 1 year. About 90% of them are 1 year durations with compulsory internship placement and support that they provide. And if you're also into the real estate, they also have some courses like that for you. Let's quickly explore 1 or 2 courses for you to see some of the tuition fee for each of these courses. For instance, this is for those that want to go into diploma in logistics and supply chain management. Diploma in logistics. So on the left-hand side, you will see the course's language of instructions is English, 120 credits up to 60 ECTX, and the course is approved by the Ministry of Education in Malta. It's an accredited institutions. At least the pass mark for you to be able to pass from this course is at least 50%. And then they are for full-time and part-time. So if you want to go for full-time, and then maybe later on when you get there, switch to part-time so that you can be working in the morning and schooling in the evening. So whichever one that is comfortable for you. And then the tuition fee, the full price for the 1 year duration is €1,680. And the entry requirement, what do you need to apply? As you can see in here, all you need is a level 3 award or diploma, or at the level of GCE, which is usually called General Certificate Examination in Nigeria, or WAEC. If you have WAEC, NECO, and the like, you can use it to apply. At least learner must be at least 18 years and above. There's no age limit. There is no age limit, so you just need to be at least 18 years and above. And then you can also read further, requirements about the course. The duration of the course is designed to deliver over 1 academic year for full-time study, but it is also flexible in a delivery in order to accommodate part-time and distance learning. The qualification is delivered face-to-face. Of course, it has to be face-to-face, which allow international applicants to be able to apply for visa. Once you get this visa, you're done with your program. If you want to move to other places, you can move. Let's quickly check another course. This is for those that are interested in health and social care management. It's one of the trending courses in Europe these days. If you have a certification in health and social care, you can work in any hospital, in any place, in any healthcare agencies in Europe. Okay, and these are the courses. The courses is also taught in English, and then they have both for full-time and part-time, and the tuition price is €3,200. And it is very possible that you can, see if you can, mail them to get the mode of instrumental payment that are available. Now, eligible students may get up to 70% refund on these course fees. So if you are eligible, you can check more information about those that are eligible to get 70% refund on this tuition fee. And that also apply to the other program as well, up to 70% for those that want to go into logistics and supply chain, up to 70% refund. So majority of the courses, they have some sort of funding and scholarship of up to 70% refund available for them. Okay, so I'm going to provide the duration. Of course, it's also 1 year, 1 full year academic sessions. Okay, so you can, any course whatsoever that you are interested in, you can check them as it aligns to your career plan or projections. You can, use them on that place. Now, let's assume you are now ready to apply. What do you do? Now, the first thing is you download this application form. Once you click here, it will open this application form for you. You fill the application form, and then I will show to you how to submit the application form now. Once you are done, send your completed registration form, including all the other documents like your, what is it called? Your international passport, your CV, your motivation letter, and any other thing. Send it to all in one document, merge it together in one document as a PDF document, and send it to this place together with the above form. Kindly attach a copy of your ID cards and qualifications. So which means while you're sending your applications, you must attach your student agreement, which is this one, your student agreement. Yes, you must attach your student agreement, your student acceptance letter, for the course, okay, your student acceptance letter, and then you must, you can now check the third country nationals, what they need. You can check the student visa application checklist, okay. Once you check the student visa application checklist, there are some, checklist that you need to be able to apply for visa, the visa requirement that you need to apply for, what your program, the type of visa that you can apply for, so different things, the amount of visa, the visa application cost, and everything that is needed, you can check them under this visa application checklist. And to pay the application fee, you need to pay the application fee to the bank directly. You pay the application fee to the bank directly, and then you are good to go. So that is that about that. And then you can, of course, I will provide the link to the school website. You can do further readings. If you need to email them to gather any information, you can check their contact sessions, and then message them directly. Any questions that you feel might be too difficult for us, message them directly. They'll respond in a jiffy. And if you want to give them a call, you can call them directly. They will answer you immediately. When I send email to them within 24 hours, they will respond. So if you want to ask any questions, make any inquiry, anything that is not clear to you, you ask them directly, and they will be able to answer you directly on the applications portal. Okay, so this is Future Focus Limited. Is a vocational school that you can learn different vocational programs. They have many courses regardless of your career path, in IT, in health and social care, in management, in accounting, in tourism, in real estate. So what excuse? You don't have any excuse this year. You can move to MALTA this year. And this is Future Focus Limited Vocational School in MALTA. I am very, very committed to your relocation plan this year. And that is why I try as much as possible to bring some of this information your way so that you can, strategically decide on which school you want to commit the little resources that you have had saved to. Is it Portugal? I've shared to Portugal. Is it Finland? I've shared to Finland. And I'm also going to be releasing to Italy shortly. And this is Malta. So different vocational schools, I research them on day in, day out to see which one is very cheap and very, very affordable. If you compare them to the likes of the UK, US, and Canada, that majority of people don't have the fund to be able to go to. So these are cheap relocation informations that are brought our way again. And of course, this is Japa with their days. Don't forget, please subscribe to this channel. That is how we see that the information that we are sharing your way is, providing some sort of insight and assisting your relocation plan. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to your loved ones. They will come your way next time with another juicy relocation informations. Bye-bye for now.